Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new Halloween event in Grow a Garden. So as you can see, there's this switch here in which you need to submit a lot of fruits, and basically once it reaches 100%, you'll get candy corn, and you're able to spend that candy corn basically like where no, basically in the like Halloween market. It's not available all the time though, like the market, so you do need to be quick, or you can just like get a lot of candy corns first, and then you are able to purchase later. So far I only have 23 candy corns, which is quite annoying. So let's submit all fruit here. Okay, there we go. And now I have 29 candy corns. And whenever you give a witch like plant, it will trigger the bat attack weather. So as you can see, it's 2 minutes till it disappears. I'm just going to buy a spooky egg. One is like 30 candy corn. That's annoying. Okay, let's buy a jack-o'-lantern, and I only have 7 left. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.